If you've ever needed to download all of your Google Drive files at once, this video will show you the easiest way to do it safely and correctly. This is perfect if you want to back up your files, move everything to a new account, or just keep a full copy of your data in one place. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to google.com. From there, look at the top right corner and click on your profile icon. This is the same account that contains the Google Drive files you want to download. After that, click on Manage Your Google Account. This will take you into your main Google Settings page where you can access your account data tools. Once you're on the Google account page, use the search bar and type Download. You'll see different account options appear, but the one you want is Download Your Data. Click that option to open Google Takeout, which is the official Google tool for exporting your data. Now, on the Google Takeout page, you'll notice that everything is selected by default. Since we only want Google Drive, click Deselect All first. This is an important step because it makes sure you only export the files you actually need, instead of downloading every service attached to your Google account. After deselecting everything, scroll through the list and find Drive. Turn that selection back on. This tells Google that you only want to export your Drive files. If you have a lot of Google services connected to your account, this step helps keep the export clean and focused. Next, scroll down and click Next Step. On the following screen, click Export Once. This starts the export setup process. Google will now prepare your Drive data for download. After that, you'll need to choose the file type and size. Usually, Google will let you pick the archive format and how large each export file should be. If you have a large drive, choosing a smaller size can make the download easier to manage because Google may split the archive into multiple files. If you want a simpler download experience, pay attention to the size option before continuing. Once you've selected the file type and size you want, click the highlighted confirmation button to move forward. Then click Create Export. At this point, Google begins packaging your Drive files into a downloadable archive. Now here's the important part. This process can take a long time, sometimes even hours or days, depending on how much data is in your Drive. Google will send you an email when your export is ready. So if nothing happens right away, don't worry. That's completely normal. Just wait for the email and follow the download link when it arrives. And that's it. You've now learned how to download all files from Google Drive at once using Google Takeout. It's a simple and official way to back up your data without manually downloading every folder one by one. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.